Okay, I finished all the CRUD features that belong to module user management offline. As you can see right now, I'm on a new branch, users-CRUD. In this branch, I add some new files and also modified one file. As you can see on the left, I add a user controller, user DAO. I modified DB data initializer. I add user, I add user service. So 4 new files and 1 modified file. As you can see, IntelliJ can detect those changes. Red means new files, untracked, and blue means modified. So later on, I will add, commit, and then push. Okay, so this is the user class. It has ID, username, password, enabled roles, empty controller, getters, and setters. And here we let Hibernate automatically generate ID. And ID is of type integer. No surprise here. Then in DB data initializer class, I created some users. So John, Eric, Tom. So there are 3 users. Then I use DO to save, and save. Okay, now remember, you have to inject user DAO, like this one, in this DB data initializer class. Okay, now here I want to show you that those passwords are not plain text. Okay, so I used a encryptor to encrypt password. Actually here it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the plain password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then I use an encryptor. I'll show you how to do it later on. And I encrypt it into this long string. And this one will be saved in database because it's always recommended not saving plain text password in database, but save the encrypted version. Later on, when we learn Spring Security, I will show you how to use this encryptor. But for now, for this dummy user, I simply just copy and paste the encrypted one and set it over there. Okay, then this is controller. No surprise, CRUD. And this is service. And here is DO. Extends JPA repository to generic types, user and integer. Okay, let's take a look at H2. I've already logged into H2, and then I do a select asterisk from user. As you can see, we got 3 users, John, Eric, and Tom. And the encrypted password is saved, not the plain text. Remember, the password of John is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The most robust password in the world, right? Okay, then let's go to Postman. Here, I created 5 API tests. So find all users, find one user by ID, create a new user, update an existing user, and delete a user by ID. So they're all successful. Next, let's commit and push this branch to remote repository. Git add, git commit. Users CRUD done, close issue number 4. Okay, then we're gonna git push. So as you can see, I'm just lazy, right? Copy and paste. Okay, so it's pushing. Let's go to master. All right, okay, go to GitHub. As you can see, this one is committed 1 minute ago. Okay, compare and pull request. Able to merge, create pull request. Checking for availability, no conflict, merge, pull request, confirm merge. All right. Okay, now we have 4 closed issues and we only have 1 open. Okay, almost there. Go to Hogwarts. Now this one has users CRUD down, close number 4. All All right, let's go back to IntelliJ. Here, we're going to make sure our local master is in sync with remote master. Git pull. Okay, as you can see, okay, we also have users. All right, so that's all for the module user management.